of the GIS software. That's ArcGIS 10.3. So to launch ArcGIS 10.3, go to the Windows button, to search ArcGIS. Once the GIS software opens, it presents this interface. If you are just a new user, what you see is this. So you select a blank map and OK. It opens a blank page. A brief introduction to the tools and functionalities of this software. We have the basic tools, which all can be gotten by right-clicking on this empty bar and selecting whatever you want. I guess when your ArcGIS opens, you see a screen like this. If you right click, you can add the tools you want to add on your interface. You can display by left clicking and holding, and you feed it however you want. Right click, this one geofencing. So this is basically the ArcGIS software, how the interface looks like. The next on the line is file. As any other software, you can open a new file, you can open an old file that you worked with, you save as, or you save a copy. Saving a copy is good when you are doing a project because you save the stages you have completed, and you can continue modifying the main map. You can share, you can add data, that's adding shapefiles, adding raster images, adding Excel tables. You can use this tool. We have the page and print setup, which is used to calibrate your page. We have the print setup, the print preview, sorry. This print preview is good and it's used to visualize how your map will look like at the time of printing. We have the export map, analyze map, and document properties. I'll go to the page and print setup. For the page and print setup, we can select first the printer, you can select the paper size which we are working on. You see varies from A3, A4, A5, B4, exclusive legal letter. So the various sizes we can print on. You can print either on the portrait, just like this, or on the landscape, as you can see. Welcome back. So next we will look at the edit tool. From the edit tool, we can undo, we can redo, we can copy, we can cut, we paste, with special pasting, also permitted, and delete using this edit button. And you can also as well copy a map to the clipboard. That's the memory of the laptop. Then you can paste in a Word or an Excel document. We have the view tool, which you view data view and layout view. Talking of the data view and the layout view, this first view we have the data view. To swap to the layout view, this is the layout view, which shows how your map will produce. So we have the data view and the layout view. The data view, the general working interface, and the layout view for presentation of maps. Then we have the insert. You can add a data frame. Generally, this is a data frame we are working in. We can add a new data frame. You see, it's a new data frame. So we can work in this data frame. We can work in this new data frame. You can as well remove the data frame. You can insert a need line, a legend, not arrow, scale bar, but we'll come to look at this as we evolve, as we progress. We have the selection tool, which you can select by attribute, select by location, select by graphics, and now we have the zoom to select the area, pan to select the area, statistics of the selected feature, and then we can clear the selection at the end of the all these tools. We shall look into them as we continue. Now we have the geo processing tools. These are tools that helps us to do geo analysis. We can do a buffer, the clip, and intersect, a union, a merge, and dissolve. We'll do all this as time goes on, and we shall see all of this as time goes on. We have now the customize tool to customize the toolbars as showed earlier before. These are the tools, different tools that we can use, and to access them we can either right click on the empty space, or we simply come to customize and toolbars. Then we have a host of toolbars that we can use. We have the extensions and so on and so forth. All this we will look at them as time goes on. Now we have these windows. Windows, what is a window? A window is this interface, the whole face of a desktop. That's a window. So we have different windows in ArcGIS. We have like the table of content window. You can make it. This is the table of content window. It can be full to screen. It can be minimized. It can be closed. So we have the windows. For example, the table of content windows, the catalog window. Here is it, the catalog window. And the displays, as you can see, you have the page feature, can be closed. Into windows, catalog window, search bar. Here's it as well. So it's all the same. Then we have the ArcGIS help installing on your laptops. So basically this is what this is the ArcGIS interface, and this is what we'll be working on